This little glass bird is a bluebird, or pajarito azulejo. It was made in the mountains of Mérida, and it was a gift from my loving parents. I observed in its deep starry blue the Venezuelan ocean and night sky. Inside, it gleams with the vibrant nature of my home. I imagined that this brave bird had already traveled throughout Venezuela, sailing the coasts down to the Amazon, then soaring through the llanos of Barinas with the corocoras. It comforted me to imagine that it had accompanied us all along, close above in travels through city, mountain, or jungle roads. He could have perched nearby as my mother made sweet funny faces, then flew over the roaring bullring to outsing the old-fashioned horns that nursed me as an infant in Maracay. He might have seen my mother's paintbrushes gliding on walls, our carnavales, the yelling nuns, and somber Latin masses in Baruta. In Cumbres de Curumo, Edificio Huiosan, Calle Rio Caroni, he could have chattered in the park while the guacamayas played in fragrant mountain winds that warded off the city smell of gasoline. It was there that we woke with the birds to the dance of foggy valleys transforming magical starry skies golden pink. Our senses danced in our multicultural home to records playing, arepas frying, or the perfect chocolate chip cookies baking. In my abuelita's home, her perfect cafecito, my tia's piano, birds chirping in their garden, taught me that home is harmony. Azulejo was there when my family navigated rough waters as the sounds of the last drops of clean water, urgent calls, tanks, weeping, and gunshots grew louder and fragmented almost everything. As all birds now migrate in crisis, Azulejo reminds me of the song, flight and spirit of home and freedom.